The voice of Haraki 92.4, Rino Reha through to 10 o'clock this morning. Monday morning, as promised, as we mentioned just a couple of minutes ago, we've got the whānau Ngāti Māori Runanga coming on over, and you can see a whole lot of rangatahi T-Rap coming out to talk to us as part of what is a special week here in Aotearoa. Up and down the motu, wherever you are, you should be celebrating New Zealand Youth Week, because there's quite a bit on. We'll share a bit of a mural reveal what's happening with some of the rangatahi, but we welcome Tina Rowe and, of course, the 10 crew from the Thames T-Rap. Stand up, one of you. Thames Rangatahi Advisory Panel. There we go. That's what it all stands for. Mōrena.
Mōrena, Rino. Thank you for welcoming us here today. First time for some of our rangatahi here on the radio today. Very excited.
Excellent. It's good to have the rangatahi here. It's always doors open policy for them to come through, and you know how the deal rolls, and when you got something you want to promote around the youth, always great to have you both here. Ro, how are you?
Amazing. Oh, for awesome.
Oh, for awesome. Okay, well, I'll hand the mic over to you, and you can tell us more about, obviously, what the kaupapa is around this week. As we all know, it's Youth Week and T-Rap, and how did that all start?
Yeah, thank you. So T-Rap has been a few months in the making. I think we last spoke to you last year about it. So it's really important that our rangatahi have a voice in Thames. So that's kind of where T-Rap came from. So the Thames Rangatahi Advisory Panel. We had over 100 applications for this panel, and we've got 13 amazing rangatahi from obviously kind of primary schools. We've got Parakuihi School, Te Puru School, Thames High School, and then we've got Olivia and Absalom, and then we've got Cheyenne, who's just studied law. So we've got a massive, diverse range of young people that make up this rōpū, and it's quite exciting. Our first hui together, we've only met up about 4 times. Our first hui together, they click straight away. So it's important that these guys are coming up with the ideas, finding out information from other rangatahi in Thames, and then creating those kind of events and different activities and different things like that. So that's where T-Raps kind of come from, and we've got some big plans for this year. But first of all, I'll just get Olivia just to talk about Youth Week.
So today is obviously day 1 of Youth Week. On Sunday we have our mural reveal. So the thing that we come up with was, so the theme for Youth Week this year is we may not have it all together, but together we have it all. So we put that under kotahitanga to make it a little bit easier to digest. We got a big piece of plywood, cut it up into some smaller bits, and gave a piece each to all the schools from Tapu through to Matatuki and the high school. And they had about 2 weeks to come up with their own mural about how they viewed kotahitanga to be. And this week we're collecting all the boards back up and joining them back together, and we're going to display them on the Thames High School pool wall by the car park. So that's where we will be on Sunday at 10 o'clock, and there'll be heaps of fun stuff there for the kids to do, and Ora and Izzy will tell you all about that.
Kia ora, my name's Izzy. There's a super exciting event on Sunday from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. There will be games, activities, free food, prizes. What else? We've got our posters here. I really hope lots of people turn up. It'll be super fun. It's at the car park, and that is the unveiling for the big mural. It's really cool. I've worked on 2 of them myself, and there's some amazing designs.
Awesome. So what actually got you involved with this, when obviously you see what's around you with the rest of the T-Rap crew? What got you personally involved with this?
Ro came into our student leader meeting at Thames High School and sort of mentioned the idea of T-Rap, and it sounded really cool, especially as a lot of people I know, young people, find there's nothing to do in Thames and there's nothing really for them. They find it quite boring, so I really want to get some more interesting things there for my friends.
So I'm gathering that's pretty well similar to the consensus for every single one that's here. It's kind of finding things to do in Thames.
Definitely.
Look, it just feels like you may be a bit bored sometimes, and just something to do, and this is just one of the avenues to reach out to, and why not get involved, eh? Why not get involved and be...
get involved.
Yeah. Is there anyone else who want to have a chat here? Anyone else? I know they'll go like this and go, nah, anyone else want to have a chat? Hey, well, I'll bring back to you two ladies here, because obviously your passion is behind rangatahi, not only just this, but what is it that drives you to around this? Because you've been involved with so many events over the time. I see you got an Instagram, you got a Facebook page, but what is it that drives you to around thriving for our rangatahi and youth? I suppose that's pretty well it. It's making sure they've got a right space, sharing your passion, your love, or what you both have, and just making sure they're in the right space. Eh? Well, what is it?
For me, with our rangatahi, this is our succession plan, ne? And if we don't put the effort into them, this is my whakaaro. Yeah, if we don't put the effort into them, show them the way, how things are done, how they can succeed, how do we expect them to if we don't put in the yards as well? So it's not just about them, it's about adults getting involved with them, positive adults getting involved with them, positive mentors, so they can grow into contributing, beautiful young adults. And hopefully they will take over and do the same thing. Yeah.
Goodness, for me, it's just making sure there's always opportunities for our rangatahi.
Yep.
We are rural, and it's good now we've got T-Rap because I can come up with some pretty whack ideas, Rino.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
And this one here has to kind of roll with me, and then but it. Yeah, no, she does. She's lying. But it's now good because it's all about that kind of ladder. And we do see a lot of services that say, youth have a voice, but, at the top of that ladder are the services and then our rangatahi down the bottom. So we're trying to shift that. We're trying at the moment, we're on an even par and T-Rap are going to overtake Tina and I. We're going to be below them, but we're going to be there guiding them. So I think these guys are our future and we need to try and not just for T-Rap, but for the wider rangatahi, they're all about gathering information. So this Sunday, there are going to be surveys and questions. The more information that T-Rap can gather, then they can work on, okay, what is needed. We do have a few plans in place at the moment. So Parakuihi Park is, we've been told that there's not enough funding to do the basketball court. So when Olivia, Absalom and I were going to each school promoting T-Rap, one question we asked them is what would you like to see in teams? It was the basketball hoop. So we're slow plans, but we're looking at running a 24-hour free throw competition to fundraise to get some pūtea to finish that basketball court. So that will be T-Rap's first big event. This one on Sunday is kind of like a mini event.
Okay, cool.
So we'll have to come back and chat about that because that's just in the pipeline.
Sweet is. Hey, I look forward to it. You guys are more than welcome to come up here to the radio station. I see connecting a rangatahi and give them maybe a follow on Instagram and even a bit of a TikTok. You on TikTok as well? Everyone's on TikTok these days.
Gotta learn these TikTok.
The old
It's bad.
tactics. And Facebook as well. You want something to say, team?
Yeah, just a wero out there to our business association with our 24-hour basketball event. If anyone out there wants to sponsor 50 cents a shot, we're here. Whānau, and it's all for the good cause, yeah? Just wanted to say another thing regarding T-Rap is we're wanting them to be approached to and with any major things that go on in our town to get a rangatahi perspective on that, i.e. Parakuihi Park, the design of that park. Rangatahi were never consulted. It's for our rangatahi. Why not? Yeah?
100% right. The voice of the future, that's what they are, And look, I'll be over at this free throw thing. Yeah, I'll come over and have a jam at that.
So
give me 100 shots. What's that, $50, eh?
Yep.
Yeah, done. Easy.
Once we lock in dates, I'll let you know. So
let me know.
Yeah.
Let me know.
But
We'll come
please
over.
come down this Sunday. It is all free. There's candy floss, there's barbecue, there's going to be outdoor games. We've got music pumping, we've got beanbags, they've got spot prizes, giveaways, and then see these 12 murals that have been designed by all our different rangatahi around Thames.
Wicked. Hey, I do appreciate it. I know it's been a hard effort to get you all in the van to get over here and get to us this morning. I know you kids don't like getting up early. Most of you don't anyway, but you made the achievement to get here to be with us this morning. Thank you for coming into Ngāi FM. Come in anytime, and have a chat on the radio. It can only build your self-esteem up. And you can follow these two. Me and Tina can't be around. We're getting too grey. You can see that with us. So enjoy life. Give them a follow. Connecting Rangatahi, Instagram and Facebook. No, she dies her here. Anyway, that's a wrap for us, whānau. No, just joking. We know we're just getting old, eh? But we enjoy it. We enjoy life. Take care, everyone, and thank you. Thanks for popping over. Good luck,
Thank
and we'll
you.
keep in touch.
Namahi.
Right here on the Voice of Hauraki, ko te reo Hauraki, nā iwi e